expand z plus 1 over z plus 2 into z plus 3 in non-negative powers of z, and also we have to discuss its validity for mod z strictly less than 2. Now here expression is also there in the numerator, right? So first again we have to work on partial fractions. So for that, writing z plus 2 over here and z plus 3 over here. When putting denominator equal to 0, we get z equal to negative 2, and hiding this z plus 2 and putting the value of z equal to negative 2 in this expression, we get, in the numerator we get minus 1, and in the denominator we get 1. Similarly, again if we put denominator equal to 0, we get z equal to negative 3, and this time we have to hide z plus 3. And then putting the value of z equal to negative 3 over here, in the numerator we get negative 2, and in the denominator we get negative 1. So let me write this nicely. So this is minus 1 and this is simply 2. Because I need the format 1 plus the expression in z, so taking 2 and 3 common from the denominator. So this is minus 1 over 2 into 1 plus z over 2 plus 2 over 3 into 1 plus z over 3. And now taking this denominator to the numerator, we get, okay, let me write this first. So this is 2 over 3 into 1 plus z over 3 the power minus 1 minus 1 over 2 into 1 plus z over 2 the power minus 1. And now before the expansion, let me check whether this is strictly less than 1 or not. It is given to us that mod of z is strictly less than 2. This is given to us, right? Okay. Mod of z over 3 is equal to mod of z over an absolute value of 3 is 3, and it is given that mod of z is strictly less than 2, and this is divided by 3, and 2 over 3 is itself strictly less than 1. So now we can expand this expression, right? Okay, for the second one, let's check for mod of z over 2 whether it is strictly less than 1 or not. So mod of z over 2, this is equal to mod of z over absolute value of 2 is 2, and this is mod of z is further strictly less than 2, and this is divided by 2, which is equal to 1. So this implies mod of z over 2 is strictly less than 1. So now we can also expand this expression also. So for the first expansion, this is 2 over 3 into 1 minus z over 3 plus z over 3 square minus z over 3 cube, so on, right? So writing 2 over 3 into 1 minus z over 3 plus z over 3 square minus z over 3 cube plus so on, right? And second, minus 1 over 2 into, yes, this is 1 minus z over 2 plus z over 2 square minus z over 2 cube, so on. So this is minus 1 over 2 into 1 minus z over 2 plus z over 2 square minus z over 2 cube, so on. I'm writing note over here for the expansion. So for mod z strictly less than 1, the expansion of 1 plus z the power negative 1 is 1 minus z plus z square minus z cube, so on. And if it is 1 minus z the power minus 1, then this will be all the terms positive. 1 plus z square plus z cube, so on. Please remember, if there is positive sign, then alternate signs. And if there is negative sign in the bracket, then all the terms are positive. So now collecting the constant term first. So we get 2 over 3 minus 1 over 2. And then the coefficient of z, that is minus 2 over 9 plus 1 over 4 into z plus then the coefficient of z square, that is 2 over 27 minus, this is 1 over 8 plus so on, right? And when you solve this, you get this to be as 1 over 6 minus 1 over 36z minus 11 over 216z square plus 49 over 1296z cube plus so on, which is valid for mod z strictly less than 2. Thank you.